Piers, you know how many Jews are living in Gaza? It's zero. You know how many Jews are living in Ramallah? It's zero. You know how many Jews are living in Nablus? It's zero. You know how many Jews are living in Jenin? It's zero. After Egypt and half a dozen other Arab Muslim countries attacked Israel in 1967, Israel was able to conquer an area called the Sinai Peninsula that is 2 times as large as Israel. And in 1979, they gave it back to Egypt unilaterally and unconditionally. In 2005, Israel withdrew from the Gaza Strip. They expelled every last living and dead Jew from Gaza, all in the name of peace. The argument that Israel is experiencing or is trying to have an expansionist greater state of Israel is not corroborated by the facts or reality. And all I can say is thank God that there was no Piers Morgan Uncensored during World War II, because what you would do during the bombing of Dresden, during the Battle of Berlin, is you would have German commentators talking about the civilian death toll and how terrible it is that the Allies—
Why was the Geneva Convention set up?
The Geneva Convention was set up specifically in order to deride the world of having Nazism and fascism in the future.
Actually, it was designed specifically to avoid some of the things that we saw in World War II. That was why it was set up.
Correct. And the Geneva Convention made it clear that, unfortunately, war in the 20th and 21st century is a necessary evil. It is terrible to have civilians being killed. It is terrible when you have a civilian death toll. But unfortunately, that is a consequence of every war ever fought in modern warfare. I mean, do you know how many German civilians were killed during World War II? It was 2 to 3 million. You know how many Austro-Hungarians were killed during World War I? It was anywhere from 500,000 to 1 million.